Hi, this is VZ Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create community on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. On Roblox, community refers to groups which are user-created spaces where players with this shared interest can connect, socialize, collaborate, and organize activities like fan clubs, development teams, or role-playing guilds. These communities create for a one-time fee of 100 Robux, feature wall for discussion, a customizable store for selling items like clothing, and different roles or ranks for the member to manage their activities. So in this video, I'll show you how to create your own community. First we have to open our Roblox. You can log in into your account on the mobile apps or on the PC. Now from here, we can select on more and you'll find there is an option communities. You can just select on that. If you want to join community, you can just search for the community name, or you can choose from here connection communities. You can join, and if you want to create your own community, you can just select on create community. You can enter your community name. You can enter description. You can uh, now you can insert the emblem for your community. You can select image from your computer, or you can, for example, I think I will try to choose this. So finish, you can manage, anyone can join or manual approval. After that, you can just click on this Robux. So if you want to create community, you need to buy it for 100 Robux. And after that, you can join the community on your Roblox. It's very simple, right? Because I don't have Robux, so I will just skip this tab. But you can before, so you have to make sure before you create community, you have to top up your Robux on your Roblox account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create community on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.